Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of working on my patio here. You know what, if you've been tracking with us, you've seen a lot of the progress and a lot of the challenges that we've had, and it is insane. You guys, the concrete shortage in Fargo here, cement I should say, and the labor shortage with just the truck drivers has really driven me to make some tough choices. And one of those choices was actually to not continue on the back addition. On the front here, we've got some really cool things going on, and thankfully, I've got help. Let me introduce you to someone. This is Derek. He agreed to come and help me on this project for a few weeks to finish the thin brick. And so what we're doing is we took this concrete block wall, the CMU wall, and instead of maybe doing some real decorative stone or whatever, we felt like the thin brick was the way to go because it just seemed to fit the style of the house, and I'm really glad we did. We worked with Hebron brick on the selection and the brick itself, and you guys, they've been great to work with. They had it generally in stock. If it wasn't in stock, they could get it real quick, and we've just been very happy working with them. All right, Derek, what is this stuff that you're working with, and describe the process for us?
So this is adhere veneer mortar with extra polymer added to it. It comes with that, thankfully. Hebron brick sells some great products that way. So first you have to back butter. This is your thin brick. You have to back butter the thin brick. So I go like this, do a flat coat there, and then I coat the sides like so, and then that side like so. And here I am at the wall, and then I just come down and give it a little wiggle. Make sure it's on my line. Take my trowel to get rid of any excess mortar, and then it just sticks to the wall just like that. And that's how it's done.
Very cool. How about you, Georgia? What do you think of this? Is it pretty cool? Yeah. We had someone stop by to say hi and to see how the wall's going. Well, very cool. Do you know now? Do you just eyeball it, or is there any method to knowing where these pieces go?
So yes, I have to do a lot of math to figure out my corsages and do my layout and snap lines. So that really helps me to get the vertical. And then as far as the butt joints, I eyeball that.
Very cool. Well, she'll help you pull the mortar back out.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a good helper. Well, there you go, guys. That is something that I will probably not master anytime soon. But I'm glad that he has and that he's helping me. That's the key. All right, so here you're gonna see some of what Derek's already finished on the front side of the patio. He's got that all done. We're not worried about that at all from freezing or moving because that's all attached to the house and it's solid. But what I am a little concerned about is this block wall is still not core filled. And that's because I can't get cement. And I thought about doing the 420 bags it would take to fill it, and I decided, you know what, it's not worth it. It costs twice as much in material and labor. And so I'm gonna hope for a concrete truck to show up to be willing to get me concrete before it frees up, and we'll get this wall poured. I got about 4 more weeks, I think. And so hopefully, I got one load in 10 weeks. You think I can get another one in 4? We'll see. Let's see the progress with a time lapse. Hopefully we can get some in before it gets dark here and have some fun watching. Well, good morning, guys. Welcome back. We are back on the project here. I just got the call at 10 o'clock a.m. That there's a load coming my way. It can come here at 11, take it or leave it, from Strata. So big shout out to Strata. Thanks so much to them for fitting me in with this cement and driver shortage. But they're coming at 11, and guess what? It's already 11:03. That means they're gonna be here any minute. We got a few last minute things to wrap up here. We had to cut some rebar to finish putting in the wall here. So on every so often, every 4 feet and in the corners, I've got the vertical rebar in here, and we're just gonna be ready for them. We're gonna get this done. I gotta put in some holes down here, and you know what? I hear the truck. I better get going. Woo. All right, just the finishing last touch here. I'm gonna bust my handle. I'd say he's done this before.
Oh yeah, he's experienced.
Yeah. I don't think this is your first time.
No.
All right guys, so we actually have what's called a core fill mix. And what that is it's a real liquidy, very small particle ready mix or cement mix. And that's so that it flows in these holes. These holes are really small, they're small gaps. We want to get that product all the way down. And so it's gonna be juicy and small P-rock in there. And that's why we like it really long and flat, so it gives us time to get it out and get it in, and it doesn't just gush out the end. Well, let's get going. Let's see how this goes. Oh, nasty. We had a little bit of a spillage. All right guys, so we are half done. We just got the front part, which the back part went pretty good. And we're about an hour in, so a lot longer than I was hoping, but we'll get her done. All right, watch out, Derek. Derek, watch your butt. Ooh. Don't worry, we got a camera. Ooh, Derek got hit by a truck today. Not too many people in their life can say they got hit by a truck. Right. So you're gonna be the guy making sure the concrete doesn't wreck your beautiful brick, right?
Yeah. It's gonna be a mess.
Yeah.
It's gonna be tough to clean off.
You're wrecking my beautiful brick! Oh no! All right, you guys, we got her done! Woohoo! Huh. I'm ready for lunch and I'm ready for a break. Thanks to Derek, our wonderful thin brick installer, who also happens to do a good job with concrete work.
Who knew?
Maybe, yeah, who knew? Maybe not something he wants to do every day.
Yeah, probably not.
Yeah. We're gonna wrap this up here. And another big thanks to my dad, right there, all-star dad. Whoa. Yeah, that's what he wants to do after I put him through all this work. But no, it's looking pretty good. As you can see, it is core filled, so this is going to be really strong, and it's going to hold up. That means it's going to be a solid wall. It won't be able to bust. I can backfill. Now I can backfill this whole thing and have it ready for winter. I'm going to put all this drain tile pipe that you see over there and over there. I'm going to put that drain tile pipe in here before I backfill. So hey guys, thanks for watching. This may be the last episode this year of this project. We'll see. Comment below, do you like this content? I know it's a little off or a little different from what we normally have on our channel. God bless. If you need something for your air seeder, let us know. But otherwise, thanks for watching and have a great winter.